Are you tired of paying a monthly fee for credit repair even if you don't see results? Well, if so, this is definitely the video for you. Due to popular demand, we are now offering a pay-per-delete credit repair method. And what that means is you pay a $200 processing fee to get started. After you pay that, if we don't produce results, you don't know it's nothing. Now, as far as what it's going to cost per item per bureau, I'm waiting on my attorneys to draft that up now. I know a lot of people think you can just charge whatever you want to for credit repair, and if you're doing it illegally or non-compliant, then yes, you can charge whatever you want to, but you've got to base it on the state that you operate out of, ours being Texas. So we should have that agreement ready within the next day or two. For example, if you sign up for our services for the pay-per-delete, and this does happen, nobody wants to hear it, but it does happen, and you're in there for 6 months and we get you absolutely no results, and you're like, oh, I don't want to do this no more, you cancel, you don't owe me nothing, I don't owe you nothing. And I basically just worked for 6 months and only made $200, which is not profit because I lost money for certified mail. We will still be sending certified mail. You will still be able to get paid for violations and errors on your credit report. So I'm really excited to offer this. So many of you have reached out to me recently and said, can you please do a pay-per-delete? I didn't want to, but hey, you got to give the people what they want. So if y'all do have any more questions about how the pay-per-delete works, please leave it down in the comments, or you can send me an email to everythingcredit@icloud.com. Hope y'all have a great night.